I was a young shithead, just like some of you teenagers are, playing at the field, and I didn't know anything. There was always those cool older guys around that showed me how to fix my gun. They were always around. Anytime I had questions or I had issues, there were always those cool older guys that helped me fix my gun. And as a matter of fact, the reason why I do Tech PB is in honor of them. I said, you know what, if I ever stick around this sport and I'm getting ready to retire, I don't want to just leave with all this knowledge. I want to leave it with all of you guys. Let's see here. Let's see here. Where did I go to college? Went to University of South Florida in Tampa. Moved out of high school in 1996. Graduated high school. Moved up to Tampa with about $200 in my wallet and a full car full of stuff. University of South Florida. I got 2 degrees from there. Great college, great school, man. University of South Florida is freaking crazy. Also, I just want to know, do you have a wife and how old are you? Yep, I do have a wife. Her name's Jennifer. She's beautiful. How old am I? I'm 30, turned 31 in September. Dear Mike, please do a beginner show for players, explain the different parts of the gun and maintenance and what to do. Okay, here's what I can tell you guys. Brand new players that want to know. This question's from White Chocolate 2424. New players that have questions on stuff like that, boards and feed necks and what all that stuff is and stuff, go download manuals, okay? You can go to any website, Kingman, Bob Long, Smart Parts, Dye, all these companies have their manuals available for download. They're a huge resource. I use them. Go and download the manual, print it up and read it. By the time you're done studying 2 or 3 manuals, you're going to know everything about paintball guns. What is my all-time favorite paintball gun and marker? Definitely the Alias. Definitely the Alias. Mike, do you have the Bob Long 4-eye system in any of your guns? No, I still use the 2 eyes. At 13, like if you're looking to max your gun out 30 plus balls per second, the 4 eyes is a huge upgrade if you're getting into experimental paintball. But for regular paintball, just like out there playing like at PSP and stuff like that, the 2-eye system works great. I don't think it's wasted money. It's definitely cool to have in your gun. You got like the laser going and stuff like that. But, 13 balls per second, I haven't seen the need to upgrade. Let's see here. Question from Stumped by Stump. How do you know whether an eBay deal for a paintball gun is a scam? Check the guy's feedback. Definitely check the guy's feedback. Now, there's a lot of stuff going around right now in paintball where it's like these pyramid schemes where they say buy a DM6 for $200. Just don't do that. Just don't fall into that. Just save up the money. Go buy your own gun. Boards, you need to know which one. Honestly, read the manuals, download the manuals, and compare the different manuals to compare the different modes. See how easy it is to set up. If this manual looks like it's like 1 page and this manual's like 10 pages, definitely take a look at the manuals for the boards. That's going to be the easiest way to tell you how to set them up. They pretty much all function the same. Which league do I think is better, PSP or NPPL? I've played both. I don't know. I really don't know. I think that PSP, everybody's on the same playing field. Everybody's gun shoots 13 balls per second, so it really makes everything down to communication and movement in PSP. In NPPL, every gun is semi-auto, so it changes the complexities of the game. You get people that are shooting, 6 balls per second on their left hand and 14 balls per second on their right hand. And so PSP and NPPL, there's definitely different dynamics. in NPPL, you can push the right side a lot harder because everybody's right-handed shooting over your left shoulder. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. For people, I definitely suggest go try to play both of them. Going from semi-auto to PSP back to semi-auto is pretty tough. You can't just go like this. Can't just go like this with your left hand in NPPL and be shooting 13 balls per second, man. It really changes the game up. I love them both. I love how long the NPPL fields are. It's like a chess game. The PSP is just like ride or die. The games are over 45 seconds. It's so much fun. Let's see here. Okay, what gun would I choose if I only had one choice and it couldn't be an Alias? I'd probably go with my Mark 6. I really like it. Bob Long's products, I know you guys always think, you probably think that Bob Long's paying me to do these shows. He's not. The reason why I've always liked Bob Long's products is, one, their guns tend to be cheaper than just about other guns on the market. What is the Protege selling for right now? $550? And the gun shoots phenomenal. I've always liked Bob Long's products because they're literally like right down the middle in terms of performance and price and everything. When you take a look at all those factors and stuff like that, Bob Long's products has always been one of my favorites. And on top of that, every time you call Bob Long's place, somebody picks up the phone. You're not dealing with teleprompters. They very rarely have you on hold. Awesome customer service. The techs there and Bob Long has earned my business over and over and over again. That's why I always go with them. Let's see here. Last one, here we go. Eugene Lee 123 wants to ask me, what are my views on religion? And Jim's going to probably give me a really dirty look here. I I'll tell you right now. Okay, for me, for me, I always felt like religion is control. Okay, your faith is your relationship with your spirit, with your Maker. Okay, you don't need religion to be faithful. So that's how I feel about it. Religion for me is control. I was raised a Baptist, and I think right now, if you put me in a church, I'd probably catch fire. I had a friend of mine's kid one time asked, why is Mike not allowed, and why doesn't Mike go to church? Because he's not allowed. But yeah, so there's my views on religion, and I think that just about does it up for the fan mail show. So Jesus, I need to go get a drink of water. We'll do these probably about once a week.